Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to perform daily tasks on Niki Life and earn rewards. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open your Niki Life app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on the me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you will land on your panel or your profile just like this. Right, so what you have to do next is to scroll down until you see tasks. Right, click on that and wait for it to load up. It takes a few seconds. Alright, so once it loads up like this, you're going to see your daily tasks, and also you are going to see the specific reward you will get for completing each of these tasks. Right, so what you want to do now is to just click on any of them or go and perform any of the tasks. For example, the first task here is to bind phone number. Right, so what you have to do now is to move away from here, go to your settings and bind your current phone number to your Niki Life account. Once you do that, you just have to come back here and click on the receive button to receive your reward. As you can see, I've received reward for this one and I was able to earn 2 cents out of this. Alright, so that's it guys. Go ahead and perform the other rewards or all of the rewards right here, and you will be able to receive a reward for that. That's it guys on how to perform daily tasks and receive rewards on Niki Life app. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.